Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So, this is my breakfast, y'all. Yeah, I don't usually have meat, but I'm gonna have this turkey sausage this morning. Some figs, a tigger melon. Y'all know. I gotta have her. I got to have her. And I'm having coffee with my friend Nikki, the OC dish chick. Hey, Nikki. That's some coffee, y'all. I hope you're having a beautiful morning. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday morning. And I hope to see you in the live tonight, right? Nikki, yeah. That looks like her too, huh? Thank you, Nikki. All right, guys. Let me do this. All right.
Hey everybody, it's Jada, and today I'm going to be trying the LSU Gold Figs
Yeah.
for this season.
So she just gets so big till she bursts sometimes. So that's what that is. Wait a minute. All right, Jada.
Okay.
What is like?
We're just going to break it open.
Oh, wow. It looks pretty inside. So, wait. So it's the color of honey to me.
Yeah.
It have a honey look?
Especially in there.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Just like, do it?
Just do the thing.
Or cold?
It's cold. Yeah, I had a refrigerator.
It's cold though.
It's cold. Yeah, it's cold.
It's very good.
All right.
I don't really like the skin though.
Okay. All right.
Like the outside, but it's like very sweet.
Break me a little piece. Let me taste that one. She just so fat. Whoa, almost dropped it. So this is my piece. It's like honey. That thing looks so like honey. It's like jam, honey jam.
Yeah.
Doesn't it give you that kind of texture in your mouth like jam? All right.
I think this is how I would eat it, like not with the...
Not the skin. Oh, but she is so sweet. That one is really sweet.
If we made this into a jam, it would be really good, like in the morning.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna make some preserves.
That's what I meant, preserves.
It's so good, huh? Yeah. You could just dismiss that skin, huh? So when we take the skin and put it back in the bucket with her, so all the nutrients could go back to her.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
So, from 1 to 10, how would you rate the LSU Gold Fig?
I rate it 8.5.
8.5? Okay.
The only reason why it's not skin...
A 10?
A 10 because of the skin.
Okay. Well, that's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Tell everybody bye.
Later, y'all.
Later. Hey. And the birds are just, I don't know what's wrong with them this morning. There's a lot of nests in that tree. That is an orange tree they're in. And that's my elderberry. Yeah. But anyway, guys, that's the tasting of the LSU Gold by Jada. She like it. So this is a circle. I guess you would call it a circle of flowers. Some um, sunflowers. This is the stump of one of the trees. I have black eyed Susies here, Zenas, all kinds of stuff. And of course, my huge lemongrass. So I'm gonna get Ben to cut them all down. I want them all cleaned up. And this, my sunflowers, I'm definitely gonna let them stay until they complete their cycle. I'm not going to interrupt them. I'm gonna take down all my black-eyed Susies and all my Zenas in the circle. I'm gonna clean out my rim. It's right there. Can't see it because black-eyed Susies and Zenas have taken over the spot. And I'm going to uh, I'm gonna lay down garden fabric all in this area around the tree stump, and of course I'm not going to interfere with my lemongrass. She's been through too much for me to interrupt her flow, and I will not do it. But this entire circle will be transformed. I have two more 100-gallon grow bags, and they are going to go here. So this is my circle. I have all kinds of goodies in here. I have some super juice buckets in here. I'm going to move them. Black-eyed Susies. I'm going to let everything complete their cycle. I'm not going to... Those are my, my beans. Purple hull peas. Some more green beans. Some jade beans. So... some more empty grow buckets I'm going to fill up. But so the back of this, as you can see, I've been, well, not me, but Ben, have been chopping things down, just trimming things up, right? From this growing season that has been just, yeah, I'm throwing away a lot of stuff that's, I don't like to hold on to stuff. I gotta get it going. Yeah. So, of course, not those are my grow bags. I'm gonna use those. That's a 100-gallon grow bag down there. I just set her here until I can get everything. I'm gonna get all of this topped off with garden fabric, right? And just have everything nice and neat. Because I like aeration. I don't like things all crammed up on me. Yeah. I gotta have, yeah, but anyway. So the beans, I'm gonna let them do their thing. But a lot of this, I'm gonna let them live their life. But at the beginning of the fall season, I'm going to change all of this. Yeah, it's gonna be changed. And we have this. So this is another bed. This is it started off with just flowers, but my God, what a takeover. And many of them, now I did drop some seeds, but many of these Zenas, I didn't drop them. Those sunflowers there, I didn't drop them. Them girls came back on their own. This is one of my sunflowers here. She's doing really good. She's turning yellow, but she's not complete yet, but she's getting there. This one is doing good too. She got her head down too. So, and here. So this back there, Ben says, God, that sugar cane grows so fast. It was just to his feet, at the beginning of spring, and now it's past the fence. Yeah, sugar cane grows very fast, family. Very fast. Oh, wow. Swallowtails, right? So, of course, in this area, we are allowing to just grow wild because of the watermelon. But this also will be transformed after the watermelon is harvest. Yeah. So it's going to be a lot of changes I'm making just so I can have space, but I will have more growing space, right? Here, I'm just allowing nature to do her thing, but that's okay. That's okay. I don't mind for a short while. But I gotta put some control back in this thing, right? Yeah. So I have I pulled that up earlier today, but I have, what is that? 2 containers of sweet potatoes. That's what that is. And her leaves, yes, it's growing all over this trellis. My goodness, but that's okay. That's okay. But that you see back there that looks like corn, you see that? That is seeds from my bird seeds that I feed the birds. That's what that is. And of course, there's cannas back there. Cannas, you can't kill them, you know. They're just in the soil, just like here behind there. That's canna lilies, and of course, in front of the rose bush is canna lilies. Yeah, but I ain't mad at her. Now this is some type of melon growing right there. I don't know who she is, but we'll find out. I'll let her live out her life till we see who she is. Because if it, I want to eat it. I really do. I want to eat it. And of course, she's just having a ball. Now she's a big, big swallow. Maybe that is one of those um, bird poop caterpillars that we saw. They turn into a giant swallowtail, and that's exactly who she is. She is a giant swallowtail. Maybe she was one of those bird poop caterpillars that we talked about earlier, right? Yeah, that's cool. But I'm not gonna take my sugar cane down. I'm gonna let them grow because I do love them. But yeah, yeah. We're gonna make some changes, especially to this. But everything is alive in this garden. Oh yeah, it's alive. Where is she? Oh, there she is. She is enjoying her day. Yeah. Yeah. And my, this is another 100-gallon grow bag. And I'm looking for this one, this Tigger melon here. Yeah. She is turning. And I see there's another small one here. I don't know if she's pollinated. I don't know, but this one is definitely pollinated. She is turning. They are so healthy in there, but let me see. I saw more melons over here. Now these are the butterfly peas. They're in the same bed. Let's see. Let me see, y'all. Okay, so here is a melon here. There's some small melons under there, right? Y'all see them? Yeah, right there. There's one, but there's a smaller one right there, right there. And I thought I seen another one somewhere. Now, you see a lot of these leaves, they're yellow, and then they have some, oh wow, there's another one right here, that have what looks like powdery mildew. And it probably is, but it's from water, heat, and humidity. That's what bring it on, That's what those that powdery mildew, it feeds on that stuff. And there is an eggplant in this bed, as well as a 4 o'clock plant right there. Lots of carrots. Here's one right here. Let's see what it feel like. No, she ain't ready. I've been eating some of them, but let's see. Where are you, baby? Oh, here it is right here. So these are the fingerling carrots. There we go. That's those Dollar Tree fingerlings. So there, that's cool. I eat it. Jada is in the house now. She is, y'all know she's cooking something to eat. Yeah, Jada is cooking something to eat. But anyway, guys, let me get up out of here. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Everything is getting rained on. Everything is lovely. It's beautiful. I have a blooming sunflower back there. It's a beautiful day, man. It's beautiful. This is our daily rain. Yup. So I was out here getting my VAPs together, y'all. I'm getting it together. But, you know, the rain. But I'm not mad. I'm not mad. So I'm getting all of my grow bags together. And, yeah, it's coming along. But, you know, this rain is slowing me down. But the plants is loving it out here. Many of the sunflowers got their heads down. But many of them, their heads are up. Yeah, they're up. And a new sunflower just bloomed this morning. Let me let you see. Yeah, she bloomed this morning, y'all. Yeah. And the hibiscus. Yeah. Anyway, guys, let me get out the rain. So, I think I shared with you all that my knee had been bothering me, the one that I had surgery for this torn meniscus. But family, I just keep moving. That's the only way I can relieve the pain. Just keep moving. And that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do, y'all. That's what I'm gonna do. So I took my umbrella down and laid it down so the wind won't take it away. This is my sugar cane back there. And what I've noticed is I do have a little fence back there. It was knocked down. I had been to fix it back. But someone have taken a lot of my sugar cane. I see a lot of broke sugar cane back there. Also footprints. And I don't go in the back of my sugar cane patch. And it's connected to this house, and I think they stole some of the sugar cane. But what is so unfortunate about that is that all they really had to do was ask, and I would have surely gave them some, but they stole. Now, yeah, I got a camera, and if I should see them